Hi YouTubers, I'm in the back garden and excuse the traffic noise, and I'm going to be testing my mounting bracket. This mounting bracket here I made for my vertical antenna, and the idea is this will actually bolt onto the bike rack of the Mazda Bongo on the top bar. And there's my ground radials, coax goes there, and these are U-bolts underneath. And I've just got it on these household steps at the moment. I can't actually put it onto the van because where the van is parked, it's directly below a power cable, and I've had quite a bit of rain, so I can't take it out in the country and park up somewhere because it's so boggy. So I'm going to try and do some tests with the Nano VNA bit close to the garage so I can move it, and got some towels drying. All this white powder's bloody ants. We've been plagued with ants, hundreds of the damn things. Okay, so I digress. I'm using speaker wire. There's ground radials, and there's there's 4, and they're 5 metre long, which is quarter wave on the 20 metre band. Am I right? Yeah, I always get mixed up with the bands. 14 meg band anyway. So I'm going to get the Nano VNA and put it on the aerial and see what it looks like. Well, with the Nano VNA on this base and my aerial up, I'm getting a 1.1 to 1 on the 20 metre band and 1.1 to 1 on the 40 metre band. And with the Nano VNA, it's bringing in stations now, and I'm just having a listening around the band. Right, let's just they'll be on that channel. Press this. 1. Can't you see the SWR? 1. Absolutely spot on. So this bracket here seems to be a great success. And the loading coils. One small problem, I didn't do this nut up on the inside tight enough, so I'm going to have to get a spanner in there and do that up, because this turns here. I thought I'd done it up tight enough, but I obviously haven't, so I must give that a squeeze up. These are my coils I made for use with my portable aerial system. Different lengths, work extremely well for the different bands. And it's just started to rain, so I've had to pack in. But this is the mounting bracket I made, and it's got wing nuts, and the coils thread onto here. That's for the ground or counterpoise. It's just a matter of undoing these U-bolts. You can see them, and they go around the bike rack. There's one there nearly off. Just got to make sure when I'm out in the field, you know, or doing portable operation, I don't lose the wing nuts. I might spray them to yellow or something like that. And there's like a spreader plate on the top, like that. That's the U-bolt. They are insulated. Don't need to be honest, but I've made them like that. Really, they're made like that. That's it, disconnected. Can you see that? That's the plate. 2 U-bolts, 4 wing nuts, 2 spreader plates, and put some heat shrink sleeving on these, and there's some rubber on the back. You say, well, that'll insulate it from the bike rack or whatever mounted to. It's mainly to stop it damaging the bike rack, scratching it. That's all I've done that for, and it seems to work with it not connected, you know, to the metal. Doesn't seem to affect the SWR. I've made a jumper lead anyway if I need to use it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.